What's up guys, Ellie here and welcome to the channel and welcome to our very first advent calendar. Now for those of you who love to go camping or backpacking, sometimes it's very useful to have a survival kit with you. So we're going to go ahead and dig deep into this survival kit advent calendar. Now this one I purchased from Amazon. They have a variety of ones with different things on the inside. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this survival kit. Okay, let's take a closer look at this survival kit haul. And I must say, guys, there's a ton of stuff here. We've got our emergency gloves. They're not thick, but they're good enough to work with just to protect your hands. We've got a cell phone case or like a technology case just to keep it sealed. We've got a raincoat. We've got a bag to put all of our survival stuff in there. We've got a manual saw. Very useful, guys. Be careful with that one. That one's super sharp. We got some carabiners so that we can hang stuff in our bags or up in a tree. We also have a very useful tool here. So we've got a combination of stuff on here as well as an instruction paper to let you know what you can do with these. And then we also have a compass as well as an emergency whistle. and some useful tools. And if you want to carry your water bottle with you on your belt, you can. And of course, we've got an emergency pin with this other part of the end where you can actually break glass if you need to. Also, we have a flint fire starter. This is very useful. And then we also have a survival bracelet. It also has some flint on it, like a fire starter, as well as a compass and a whistle. So very multi-use. Something else that we're getting is some fishing line and some hooks with a bob. So if you want to go fishing, you can. And we also have an emergency blanket. Can't go wrong with that. We also have a pocket knife with a hook on it. Multiple use, and it is super sharp. Gotta be careful with those. We also have a mosquito net, a head mosquito net, but this can also be used as a fishing net. We got some rope just in case, and also we have some useful utensils for eating. So overall, guys, this is a really good haul. I think I purchased it for $25. So it's nothing fancy, but it's just enough to have a survival kit with you. If you guys enjoyed this survival kit, make sure to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and guys, we'll try to keep doing at least one advent calendar a year so that we can see what we can get as a survival kit. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.